Hello students, I am Ajay Karmarkar. Before starting video, I would like to tell you something. Please sit with copy pen. If you find somewhere important, pause the video, note it and proceed on. If you find somewhere difficulty, then please write in comment box. I will definitely solve your problem. And along with, please like, share and subscribe my channel that can reach more and more students. Thank you once again. Now here is the question. A detector is released from rest over a source of sound of frequency f0 is equal to 10 raised to power 3 hertz. The frequency observed by the detector at time t is plotted in the graph. The speed of sound in air is here g. Assume that 10 meter per second square. And options are 330 meter per second, option B 350 meter per second, option C 300 meter per second, and option D 310 meter per second. Firstly, we have to understand what the question says. Here we have given a stationary sound source and observer is dropped. Here observer, what is observer? Detector, sound detector, that is works as an observer. So this observer is released, or we can say dropped, means initial velocity is u equal to 0. Then this final velocity by using equation of motions. First equation of motion, v equal to u plus gt. Okay, so here initial velocity 0 and g is 10. And what is the time is given? The time is given, that is 30 seconds. So here speed of observer 300 meter per second. Okay, now this observer approaches towards to the source of sound, stationary source of sound. Then using the formula, this is apparent frequency, and v plus v naught upon v equal to here initial frequency f naught. Okay, now again look at the graph. Here the initial frequency, that is 1000, is given, and here the final or apparent frequency, that is given 2000. So substitute this value, 2000 equal to v, here v naught 300 upon v, and here 1000. Here 30 cancel out, then 2v equal to v plus 300. Then 2v minus v is equal to 300. Then v equal to 300 meter per second. That is the speed of sound. Okay, so here the correct option is C. I hope so you understood this question. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. Definitely, when you will become success, whole contribution goes to your hard work. But if my videos, my lectures, my questions will help in your success, I will consider myself lucky. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel that can reach more and more students. Thank you once again. Take care. Bye bye.